Wow, what a walk. Guys, right? You agree? What a walk. Wow, and that is how you make a powerful entrance with the one and only Catherine Bernardo. Kat, how are you?
I'm good. Actually, that was my first ever walk for Century Tuna, so extra special talaga tonight. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your energy. You all look beautiful, and thank you so much for having me, of course.
So we are all part of history. See Catherine do her first walk as Century Tuna ambassador. And you know, Kat, we've seen your journey starting out as a child actress, and to more than a decade after in the industry later, winning multiple awards, you have grown in front of our eyes. You've become a role model for many Filipinos. Your transformation and life story is super inspiring. So thank you for being here with us. Naiyak na ako. Yeah. So thank you for being here tonight, Kat, and we are really honored to have you here. Okay, Kat, so as the newest ambassador for Century Tuna's Best You Ever campaign, how does it feel to be part of a movement that promotes health, wellness, and achieving your personal best? I remember when you posted this on your Instagram, I felt your excitement, right? So tell us about your journey being a Century Tuna's girl now.
Oh my God, Tim, it feels so empowering to be part of this campaign. Like what I said in my post, it has always been my dream to be part of this family. No joke, alam mo yung Century Tuna yan. That's why when they reached out to my team, January this year, 2024, I got really excited. And tonight, I'm just really grateful. Maraming salamat to our bosses, to my Century Tuna family for making this dream come true. And of course, I admire kasi the brand because of their commitment in promoting healthy habits such as, you know, having a healthy lifestyle and having the right diet. So ever since talaga, pag nakikita ko yung campaigns nila, it's just so inspiring, and now it just feels so surreal that I am now part of that campaign, and they're super fun. Oh my God, so thank you so much.
You know, like what Carlos said, it's aspiration, perspiration, and inspiration. And you are that. For us, through the years, we've seen you grow into the woman that you have become. And how do you think your partnership with Century Tuna helped you become the best version of yourself, Kat?
For me, finding the best version of yourself comes with transformation. So every day, we try to be better, we try to be best, and I think that is just aligned with what Century Tuna represents, you know, to be brave enough to challenge ourselves and to chase for our goals, including our body goals. So when I said yes to this, even though na meron na ako very limited time to prepare, I knew that I was committed. I gave my 100% kahit na sobrang limited lang yung time to prepare. And I'm just glad that they're very supportive of me. And parang Century Tuna gave me that extra motivation that I needed. Especially with the limited time. I'm like, no, I have to make this brand proud. And I want to inspire more women, especially once they see this campaign. So that became my motivation.
And they will walk the way Catherine Bernardo walk with so much confidence, passion, and joy in your life. You can see it in your eyes. Okay, thank you, Kat, and congratulations for all your achievements. We are happy to see you look more youthful and come into your own beautifully. Guys, again, a big warm round of applause of love for Catherine Bernardo, and we will continue to support you and all of your endeavors, of course, with the Century Tuna family. With that said, let me invite on stage our